Hi guys, it's Mimi. I have an Aliexpress haul for you guys today, and I'm just going to go ahead and get right into it because I'm very excited to show you what I got. I got some dyes, I have a couple of other like crafty items, and then I also got some like office supplies, so I'm really excited to show you. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right into it. The first set of items I have here are these enamel dots. I paid 91 cents for these two. And then I believe these were probably, I think, 97 cents or something like that. These were only 87 cents, so that's actually a better deal than these because I think there's more in here. Or not, I don't know, I can't count, I'm not going to. But I got some enamel dots, and I do like them. They're pretty, but the only thing is I didn't realize that these ones would be so, like, not icky, but, like, they're just kind of, like, blah colors. Like, you can definitely make something cute with them. But I definitely didn't need two of them. I'm definitely going to share these as well. Like, I got two, like, one of each for myself. And then I'm going to share these two in something. I don't know. But, yeah, I got some enamel dots. This next set of items all came from the same seller. So I have some dies, two embossing folders. And I'm going to show you the first set of dies I got, which these were only $2.80. And I got two little bears. I've seen Scrap Diva 29 use these, and they're super duper cute, and I knew I had to have them, so I went on and got some of my own. I'm going to make my Nana one of those washi tape houses. I'm going to decorate one for her birthday and make it teddy bear themed, so I'll definitely be able to use these in there. I got this die, which was also $2.80. It's kind of like an edge die, or I'm going to be using it again on those washi tape houses and like other things, of course, but this is my plan to put in like one of the rooms and kind of fence it off just to look like a balcony. I thought that would look really cute, and you could always use it on the edge of envelopes or on the edge of cards and things. I just think it's really cute, and it would be pretty versatile. I got this bike die for only $1.80, which is pretty cute with the little balloons and the flowers. I just thought it would be nice to have and also to use in those houses or just anything. I've been doing a lot of those houses lately, so that's what it's kind of in my head and I've been thinking of, but still a really cute die for anything if you don't make little washi tape houses. I got this die, and I'm really excited about it because it's like a little banner, and I don't have any banner dies, so I thought this would be really fun and cute. And by the way, I'm going to be doing a separate video after this one on how I store my dies. I'm going to show you what the basket looks like that I store them in and how to make the little envelopes that I use to store them in. So make sure you check out that video. But again, little banner die. And this one was $1.80 if I didn't say that. This little set of dies right here, I did not actually order, and I'm not sure why it was sent to me. I guess it was just a mistake, or I don't know if they were giving me a free gift. I'm not really sure, but I'm not going to complain. But it has, oh, there's actually 4 dies in here. It has a reindeer, a moon it looks like, a little snowflake, and then a little Christmas tree. So I'm not really sure why this got sent to me, and I'm not sure if I have to let them know that it got sent to me. I don't really see why. Like, they sent it, so they must know that they sent it to me. But that's pretty cool. I definitely didn't order Christmas dies, so I know these were not my doing, but they're cute, and I'm excited to have them. And then I got 2 embossing folders. I got a striped one, and I got a polka dot one, and they measure about 4 by 6, roughly. So, really great sizes. And these embossing folders were $3.20 each, which is actually more expensive than when I got them from Joann's. And I think at Joann's, they were either the same size or a little bit bigger, and they were only $2. They were 5 for $10 on sale. So I would definitely get them from Joann's unless you can't find the pattern you want, and then you can go on Aliexpress and look for them. This next set of dies I got from, this is a whole new seller. I can put links down below, but I'm not really sure if that's worth it because I don't know how many of you are looking for them. So if you want the links, just let me know and I'll send it to you. But I got this die set, and it's just an alphabet die set. And it was $3.05, so not bad. But you get 26 dies in here, so that's a really good deal, $3.05. So I picked those up. I got these pens for my friend for her birthday, and it was actually in March, so they came a little late, and I actually forgot I ordered them. I got her a whole like birthday gift thing, and these were just supposed to be part of it. But they're little syringe highlighters, and they all have caps on them. Hopefully you can see that okay. Just different colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. Let me get a price for you. These highlighters were $1.79 for all of them. And then these pens, which they're just like bones. I don't know what bones they are, but they were $2.81, or no, $2.18. So not bad at all for that either. And they're going to be really cute. She's a doctor, or she's going to be a doctor, whatever. And I thought she would like them, so I got those for her. I ordered a black and a white set of 50 little Velcro dots. I thought these would be good for flip books to keep them shut and things, and these were only 89 cents each for 50 of them again, so pretty good deal on that. This one I was really excited about. It's a little Scotty dog. I'll show you the picture. It's a little Scotty dog though with glasses, and it was only $1.63. This is what that dog is going to look like when I cut it out. I thought it was so cute, so I just had to get it. I also got this die set. It's just a little bear and the tiger. You guys know where it's from, but I think this is really cute, and this was only $2.50. That'll be really great for the flip books I make and the tag flips and things. If you haven't seen my tag flip, I'm gonna put it up in the cards like right there, and you guys gotta go check it out. So I got this. I think there's 6 dies in here. They're just mini word dies, and I actually was expecting these to be a little bit bigger because I don't ever look at the measurements. I don't really care to check and see how big they are because they're so cheap. I really don't care, but I'm actually really glad they're this size because they fit really great on embellishments, and I just made a bunch of embellishments. I'm going to be sharing that with you guys in another video, but these were only $2.50, and you get, oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 different word dies, so that's pretty cool. There's like hello, smile, happy, things like that in here. I got this die. It's just a girl. You guys know where she's from. She's really cute, and I am again going to be using this on my flip books and tag flips. I got this ephemera pack. It's, let me see what it's called. This is called Always and Forever, and there are 70 pieces in here. Some of them have gold foiling on it. I thought this was really cute and would be fun to use on anything. And then I thought these were also ephemera pieces, but they're actually vellum stickers, which is pretty cool. And of course I can use them as ephemera if I wanted to and just leave the white paper backing on there. These ones were $3.59, and so was the other pack. So a little more expensive than the other things I've gotten, but I mean $3, it's not expensive in the scheme of things, you know. So these have, or this pack has 86 pieces in it, and yeah, pretty cute. And that is everything I got so far. I have a few things waiting in the mail, and I'm just gonna go ahead and show you now, and then maybe I'll update you guys with how I like it on Instagram, because I don't want to make a whole nother video for like 3 items, but I'm waiting on this little item to come. It's just a little glue bottle with a narrow tip, so I'm waiting on that to come for only $1.49. I got it. And by the way, if you don't know, everything is shipped free, mostly as long as you look for the free shipping, and pretty much anything small and crafting related is free shipping. So, and then I'm also waiting on these 2 items. It's like fishing line with the pearl beads on it, and then 100 pieces of these little rose flat back acrylic pieces, or resin, that's what they're called. So I'm waiting on those to come. And that is everything I'm waiting to come. I also got these bows, but they're my Nana's, so I don't have them. But they're just a bunch of little doggy bows, and if you're looking to order dog bows, they're really great. They're just on little rubber bands, and for the price, not bad quality at all. And they're like not even just for the price, but just in general, they're not bad quality. So for only $2.69, I think I got 20 of them, which is awesome. You get 2 of each design that they have, and if you guys wanted to, you could always order these bows and just take the rubber band off and use them on your crafting projects. I'm thinking about doing that next, because they're actually really, really cute, and they're super cheap. So, and then I ordered some with the clips, which I'm still waiting to come in, but those should be pretty good quality too, because I have never been upset with the Aliexpress stuff. I mean, I've been surprised at how small things are or how big things are, but I wouldn't say that's something that I was like upset about. So, yeah, if you're looking to order from Aliexpress, I definitely say do it. Just try it, and if it ends up being bad, you will probably end up losing like $2, which in the grand scheme of things is not a lot of money. You'll make that back, don't worry. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul, and if you have ordered from Aliexpress, let me know down below what you've ordered, and if you liked it, and if you were happy with it. So I will see you guys in the next video, and thank you for watching. Bye!